It's a wonderful day. It is. Subscribe. Ring the bell, too. It's such a day, such a motherfucking day. Woo! So good to see you again. We've got a nice exercise, and you can do it in a mix. You can do it in head voice, but I'm going to start it where most everybody can sing it. Here it is. All right, and that's our tempo. Okay, on ah, here we go. And big breath. That's it, keep the mouth open. Keep that mouth open, lift it back. I'm mixing here. One more. You gotta move when you exercise your muscles. Oh! Can I talk and play? Back down here now. Woo! Oh my God. There you go. I made it short and sweet. It takes in everyone's range here. And it doesn't go really high, it doesn't go really low. Short and sweet. Want to see how you like that. See if you like it just so that it fits just about everybody's voice. Let us see, okay? I want you to have a wonderful singing day. Go and sing your songs. Warm up your voice, sing your songs. Do the things that you love that make you happy, okay? It's a wonderful day. It is. Subscribe. Ring the bell, too. It's such a day, such a motherfucking day.